how to use custom indicators on MT4 iPhone app. Hello traders! Yesterday I created video how to use custom indicators on MT4 Android app, and today I will talk about iPhone app. So there is only one way to do it. So why is that? Because iPhone apps and Android apps too, they don't allow to add any kind of custom indicators into the platform. So you cannot add it, you cannot manage it, nothing. And if you try, you will have the problem because all apps need to be safe and secure. So there is only one way if you want to use and see custom indicators on MT4 iPhone app. So I will just retell first in the very simple way, and after that step by step. So first, let me see the process. If you want to use iPhone app, you can install, but you cannot add custom indicators. However, what you can do is you can use the remote desktop connection and you can add desktop version on the virtual private server. If you do that, you can manage, add custom indicators, and do everything as usually on Windows MetaTrader platform. When you do that, after that, we will see how you can add remote desktop on the iPhone, and on the end, you will be able to access to desktop version of MetaTrader on the virtual private server using your iPhone. So this is the whole plan. If you want to do this, please watch next parts. So you know that last year Apple just banned MetaTrader. Why? Because security. Because problems that this app caused to some people. And now after the corrections that people from MetaTrader did, MetaTrader is in Google apps and in Apple apps. The first and the most important thing, you need virtual private server. You can get for free. If you want to get for free, your brokerage company usually offer for free. And just below this video, you have the list of virtual private servers that you can use using your brokerage company. Additionally, if you want to buy, I added one link where you can buy very cheap for $6 virtual private server for whole month. So the problem is not so complicated. You can get virtual private server very easily. When you purchase or when you get, you will just get username and password, and this is everything that you need to have virtual private server. So how you can access to virtual private server? You know, on the Windows, yet you have the search field. In that search field you can type MSTSC or you can type remote desktop. If you do that, you will see something like this. After that, you go there and put your username and password and you will be connected. The computer or the username, it's very easy. You will get everything for your brokerage company or from the hosting company. Username is usually administrator and the computer name is usually IP address. So this is the whole story. When you do that, you will see something like this. You will got another window, and when you access to another window, you will get new computer. On that computer, you can add MetaTrader desktop, you can add custom indicators and everything. So it's very easy. As same as a desktop PC. Find broker, download MT4, install MT4, log in using username and password, and add custom indicator. To add custom indicators on desktop, it's very easy. You open that data folder, then in that data folder, you find the indicators folder. In the indicators folder, you copy and paste your custom indicators. When you do that, you go to the navigator, you press with the right button, you choose the refresh, and after that, the custom indicators will be in the directory, in the MetaTrader platform, and you can use, attach on the chart, etc., etc. The next thing that you need to do when you finish with virtual private server is to access to virtual private server using your iPhone. To do that, go to the iPhone and search in Apple Store for remote desktop mobile. Just search remote desktop and you will see something like this. When you do that, you will access to remote desktop application. There you just put the IP address and the username, and after that you will be able to access to your desktop version using your cell phone. And this is the whole story. This is like this. You put your PC name, some IP address, you put username, it's an administrator, something like that. You put password if you need password, or sometimes it's without password. Sometimes every single brokerage company has different little bit login name, but usually it's like this. You have a PC name, you have a username, you have a password, press the connect, and you will be a new PC, and you can access whatever app you want to do. It's very, very easy. And like I said, you can add custom indicators in your desktop version and access using your iPhone. So this is the whole story. If you're an iPhone owner, this is the only thing that you can do. I know there are websites that want to offer you some hacking methods how you can do that. Do not try anymore, because we want the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 are safe, secure things. You cannot add custom indicators, you cannot change the app, you cannot do some crazy stuff. Do not try that, because you will not not success in that. But nevertheless, the only thing that you can do if you want to access to your MetaTrader 4 desktop version is to access using the virtual private server and use whatever you like. This is the whole story. You have the video if you use Android platform. I just published it yesterday. And please subscribe to this channel and enjoy. I wish you a great day, and bye bye.